Oh yeah, and then I went and took apart this random tablet for some reason. Here, watch a montage of that as I almost stabbed the battery with the screwdriver. Alright, this is a fun one. So this tablet in front of me here is a very piece of garbage tablet by Polaroid. And, like, you can just... Maybe you can't tell looking at this, but this is a 7-inch LCD with no kind of touch protection. A potato VGA camera that doesn't even show up in Android. Single mono speaker, reset button. It's garbage. It has a mini USB to charge. It's just not a good tablet. Anyway, it does work, and it does run Android, and it has Wi-Fi that mostly works. So its sole purpose, simply because it has a larger screen, is to be a controlling device for some other electronics in my, some Internet of Things electronics in my living room. So the problem, well, not problem, there's no problem with it, I just want to take it apart. The thing is that this device has a battery in it that basically doesn't work. And I'm a little bit worried that it's become a spicy pillow, so I'm going to open the device up, and if it's not a spicy pillow, I'm going to take the battery out and keep it safe, so that way it doesn't ever become a spicy pillow, because this thing does not keep a charge. And if it is a spicy pillow, I'm going to dispose of it properly before I die. So, presumably opening this is as simple as taking off these two screws on the top here, because it has screws on the top, which is very very abnormal for a mobile device, but I'll take it. And then I don't have an iFixit guide or anything. This is the first time I've ever taken apart a mobile device in my life, so let's have some fun here. What if I just stuff my screwdriver into it? So I'm going to shove my screwdriver in there and hope I don't destroy my tablet. Oh boy. Oh man. Imagine I just punctured the damn battery. I think I'd know pretty quickly if I punctured a battery. Ooh. That didn't sound good. Screen's probably ruined now, guys. Sort of can see inside of it a bit now, actually. Yeah, it's like held down by tabs, like a lot of phones of this nature. Oh, and now it's trapped on my finger. Well, okay, that's definitely hitting a battery. Something is giving. Oh my god, the battery's f***ing there, isn't it? Oh my god, that is scary. Ooh, shoot. Okay, yeah, the LCD just came off of the plastic cover. So I don't think that this is meant to be taken apart this way. Okay, wait a minute. No. I'm getting somewhere. The screen is not coming with the top, though. Or at least not entirely. It came off. Yeah, the screen just came off of the top. Well, whatever. I have other Android devices I can use for this, so I'm curious now. Yeah, this comes apart like a smartphone with a removable back, except it's a removable front. Stupid design, but I guess it works. Oh, this is frightening as hell. So I actually don't want to break this thing, because I do like it, and it does serve a purpose in my house. I'm using my chest as a kind of anchor here. Ooh, this is just... Every single snap this thing makes just scares the living daylights out of me. Yeah, the LCD is right there. Well, this is the first time I've taken apart a mobile device. Oh boy. The LCD is not budging. Yeah, you can really see inside of this now. That is a battery. That's a battery, and I actually did poke it a bit. Holy shit, that is actually really dangerous. Oh man. Fortunately, I don't think I damaged it. And I don't think it looks very pillow-like. Oh, wow. All right. Yeah, so everything is attached to the front of this. That's a big battery. I need to pull off more of this side, I think. Oh, God. Scared. Oh, my buttons just came out. That's nothing to be concerned about. Okay. One tablet. Well, we've got we've got some stuff here. So we've got its motherboard, which, we've got the mother. That's actually a really big motherboard for a tablet, I'd think. You'd think this would be smaller nowadays. Although I guess this isn't a modern tablet, is it? And then this battery, which is roughly phone sized. You can see this is a very dangerous design because I actually did poke it a bit. But fortunately, I did not short the layers of it. It's still safe, hopefully. Looks like we've got I think this is the wireless antenna. And then a bunch of other ribbon cables, which presumably connect to other things. I think the battery may be soldered onto this. It's one of these dumb... No, psst, psst. I'm just going to unscrew this little bit here, and I think that may free up the device. That is not a screwdriver. Take this off. I don't know if there's a way to safely remove the battery. It looks like it's like soldered in, which is very not good. Yeah, so the motherboard is held on to the case and the screen. This is a very weird configuration. I just scratched my screwdriver all over the surface of the motherboard, which is always great. Always nice to scratch up a motherboard. Whoa, okay, so there's the digitizer of the LCD. Dang, there really is no bezels to that, is there? Huh. Goes to show all the wasted space in old tech design like this. I feel like I'm playing with a bomb, and in a way I kind of am, just because there's a battery and this is live, and whoa, okay. Well, this is my Android tablet. Right. Oh boy, I really don't even want to touch this. Can I take the parts apart? It's like taped together. It's literally taped together. Like, I'm not even joking. It's literally held together by tape. I'm gonna sever some ribbon cables here. That's actually really dangerous. I don't think this battery is removable. After all that, I don't think I can actually take this battery out of this device. Like, there's a positive and a negative, which goes into the damn battery. But I don't see any way to, like, unhook that other than desoldering the stupid mess. Oh yeah, it boots. Welcome to your new form. You are now this. Look at those super slim bezels, though. Honestly, like, I know, of course, that this is just an LCD, but, like, look at that bezel. This is my finger, and that's the bezel. Why didn't bezel-less technology become adopted a long time ago? That's the other bezel. I mean, yeah, it's a bit thicker, but, like, I'm really surprised the bezel-free stuff came out in freaking 2018, 19. You can't see it because my lights are on, but yep, the tablet is on and working. Oh wow, you can even see the backlight through this, actually. Yeah, you can see the backlight shining through. That's actually really nifty. Where's the home button? I just realized by taking the battery out, this thing's gonna lose time. I mean, not like that's important or anything, but the battery needs to be taken out because I'm worried for it, but yeah. Why don't I just pull things apart a bit more and see what happens? This is what you get when you pay money. This is what you get when you pay $70 from frickin' cheap.com for an Android tablet. You literally get frickin' masking tape holding down your wireless hardware. Like, how cheesy is that? I don't want to cut this, and I'm not desoldering it because I don't know what the heat will do to the battery, and also I'm not that good of a solderer yet, so even though the battery is definitely permanently stuck to the device, I can at least remove it. I can at least disconnect it from the power source, or I can at least disconnect it from the tablet so it won't actually use it. Because I'm not going to use it, right? Like, there's no This tape appears to go underneath the battery somewhat, but I feel like it's gonna just lift up the battery. The battery is lifting a bit, but I don't think it's lifting uniformly. So I don't want to risk that. This USB hub port is just like loose. That's not good. Well, I guess I gotta cut those. Got scissors. Should just be a matter of scissoring this wire apart. 1, 2. Cool. All right. I may not be able to actually permanently remove the battery, which is somewhat disappointing, but at least I can have it unplugged. So I think this ribbon here, which goes under it and then in, is the display ribbon. And how does that work? It goes like... Okay, now I'm hooking this up to power. It's just USB, so it is still totally safe. I'm a little bit worried for my nice cable, but it's the only cable I have that is a definitive yes. It 100% works. So it's the cable I unfortunately have to use for this. And it doesn't have any weird power transformation crap on it for camera. So we are now hooking this thing up to live USB power. A total of 5 volts. And I think that thing can go up a bit higher. It's a fast charger, but anyway, flip this over. Okay, it's turning on. It is reacting. It is... What is it doing? It is boot looping. You've got to be joking. Wait. Whoa. Is that a squeaking or is that a power? Okay, it boots. Holy crap. Okay, yeah, so I've disconnected the battery. All right. Haha. Well, that wasn't too difficult. Concerning and scary, maybe, but that was actually really easy. I hope this second connector is not a touch digitizer, but I'm pretty sure it's the camera, so... All right, we got power. Presumably we have touch now as well. Touches. Whoa! Touches. Whoa! I didn't see that at all. I think it's shorted. The display is like weird colors. I think I felt some kind of light static electricity. I think that honestly shocked me. I think I got a light, it just felt like a static, but I think that was a shock. Damn. Launcher is not responding. Would you like to close it? Okay. Ooh. Well, the speaker works. Touch works. CPU feels like it's running at like 2 hertz though. Ooh, whoa. You see that? Look. Ugh. That's nasty. Look, it's like shocking itself. Look. That's f***ing hilarious. What did I do to it? This will be a nice little, how's my code look? How's my app look? Oh, my app looks beautiful. You know, like you just, gonna go play Angry Birds on my little tablet here and go watch some YouTube on this. I can't even. QWERTYOU. Oops. UTUBE. What? No, I didn't even press enter. Continue. Oh, it's a timing issue because the battery came out. YouTube. Enter. Oh, there goes my visibility. Where is the... There. I think some of the layers on the LCD may be shifting around, and that's what's causing this to happen. Where's my search? I feel like I'm taking apart a CRT display or something. Whoops. Uh-oh. Cancel. Holy crap, this is not fast. Wait, search button, found it. RADDEDMC. What video of mine should we watch, guys? Oh no. Ugh, this is just lagging. This is just lag. This is not a fast device. Here I am. 64 subscribers, 42 videos. Alright, this is not... Is this gonna load the channel? Okay. Yeah! We made it! Yeah! We made it to the channel! This is my last shot. No, I'll watch a different one. Turning trash into terabytes. Let's do it! Woo! Turning trash into terabytes! I want to see how this looks with this destroyed display. Ooh. Yeah, maybe. There we go. That's what I want right there. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. That is max volume. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is an incredible... The compression is beautiful. This is the... Yeah, mobile devices. Dang it. Well, we figured out this works. And it is controlling my lights. I don't have my lights nearby because this is meant for a different room, but it does work. I'm going to now power this off safely by unplugging it. And I guess we're going to try to put this back together in one piece.